Yes, this is our question. Design a capacitor coupled inverting amplifier using op-amp 741 IC to have a voltage gain of 100. Okay. Assume signal voltage of 10 millivolt and load of 4.7 kilo ohm resistance. So for this, first you need to draw a capacitor coupled inverting amplifier. How does our inverting amplifier looks? Minus plus V naught inverting amplifier, right? This will be our capacitor first, C1. This will be our R1, right? Circuit diagram is not given in question. You need to draw this. For this, you need to remember circuit diagram. Vs is AC supply voltage. This is your RF. This will be simply grounded. This will be your I1. Yeah, here will be your C2. C2 will be this. Don't forget this VCC minus V. You will lose half marks there if you forget that. Now, important things for op-amp 741 IC. That is, I1 current will be 100 times of IB max. Okay, you need to remember this. Fine. What else we require to calculate? We require I1 because we require to find R1, C1, RF, C2. Everything we have to find. We have been given with what? Supply voltage Vs. Vs is given how much? 10 millivolt. 10 millivolt input is given. RL 4.7 kilo ohm is given. Right? Okay. We have from Ohm's law R equal to V by I. So Vs by I1 to get R1, because R1 the current flowing is I1 and it is from the source Vs. So I will get Vs is 10 milli, 10 raised to minus 3. I1 is 100 times of IB max. What is IB max? Yes, another important thing. IB max is always equal to 500 nano amperes. 500 nano amperes. So substitute here 500 into 10 raised to minus 9. So you will get this as 200 ohms. So finally R1 is equal to 200 ohms. I want you to highlight your answer by putting a box, okay, so that even if your page is full with the calculations, the evaluator can easily identify where the answer is. Okay, this will make sure that you will get full marks if your answer is correct. Okay, then we got R1, we require C1, C2 and RF, right? So first we'll get RF here. We are given with we already have, this is inverting or non-inverting? Inverting, right? Yes. For inverting, the gain is given as minus RF by R1, right? So this is given to you 100, right? So if I substitute, if I simplify this, R1 is already 200 ohms, right? So I can write this as RF equal to ACL gain into R1, right? $200, right? So this will give you 20 kilo ohm. This is your RF. You write here RF is 20k and R1 is 200 ohms. Now let us find C1 and C2. Let us find C1 and C2. We have Xc1 equal to R1 by 10, that is C1 equal to 1 over 2 pi FL R1 by 10, right? Now you require to use this equation. For this you require to know what is FL. FL is lower cutoff frequency. For 741 op amp IC, you need to assume this as 120 Hertz. 120 Hertz. Therefore C1 is equal to 1 over 2 pi f 120 into R1 is 200 by 10. Yes, get me this. You will get C1 equal to 66.31 microfarad, right? This can be approximated to 75 microfarad. Yes, standard. Not necessary to write this, okay, because 66.31 microfarad capacitance won't be available in market. The nearer available market value is this, the standard. Okay, even if you write, it will not harm. Even if you miss this, it will not go, it is not going to harm your solution. Okay, 66.31 is the right answer. Similarly, we will have for C2. We know that C2 is equal to, we need to remember this formulas, 2 pi FL RL, okay, 1 over 2 pi 120 into 4.7 into 10 raised to 3. This will be giving you 0.2821 microfarad. Okay, as much as possible try to keep your capacitance value in microfarad. Okay, micro, nano, pico, like this. This is what the C1 C2 solution is. So with this, the solution ends here. Thank you.